Chasing Cars 71 YouTube channel. You join us today in wet Wales. Not raining too hard at the moment, but it's due to hammer down later with rain. We're here on the Phil Price Memorial Woodpecker Stages Rally, a one-day event up in glorious Hafren Forest. So we've just arrived and parked up just here. We'll go and access the first stage now and get ready for the cars to come through. Afternoon stages on the Woodpecker Rally. Let's join now some of the cars stage side. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you like this sort of content, why don't you click on the link in the bottom of the screen to subscribe to Chasing Cars. Take a look at some of our other rallies that we've attended over the years in the BRC and so on. Mate, look.
It was that's the most we can splat, so. And that was option.
It was. So we've had a direct hit. The muddy puddle down there and a Mark II Escort has caught us. Ouch. Who needs to pay for an expensive mud bath? Just come rallying and you can have a mud bath for free. Another direct hit there. Look at that, close to the eye. Fantastic. So you can see it's hard to believe it's the end of August actually here in Hafren Forest in Wales, but it is the end of August. It feels more like November with the rain and the mud that we've got coming down, but we're going to finish off here now in the stage. Hope you've enjoyed watching the footage. Take care, keep chasing cars, and we'll see you again soon. An appropriate gunshot from an Evolution Mitsubishi. Take care, bye for now. A bit of a Brucey bonus on our travels back through Newtown. We've stopped at the main, not service area, but Rally HQ area, I suppose you'd call it, where the cars are coming in for their final time control, just to see the celebrations and podium victory for the winners of the various classes that are arriving now. So let's have a look at that. So that is definitely it from the Woodpecker Rally 2025. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of bonus footage at the end there, celebrating at the podium with the various winners of the classes. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, drop us a sub. Take care. We'll see you on another rally or an event soon, and keep chasing cars. Bye for now.